Understanding, out of step with, mastering English phrases. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we're going to dive into the phrase, out of step with. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your conversational skills. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of out of step with together. Out of step with is a phrase used to describe a lack of agreement or synchrony with something or someone. When you are out of step with a person, group, or trend, it means that your ideas, beliefs, or actions are not aligned with theirs. It can imply a difference in opinions, practices, or even the pace at which things are done. For example, if someone says, he is out of step with current technology trends, it means that the person is not keeping up with or does not agree with the latest developments in technology. The phrase, out of step with, originates from the literal idea of not walking in sync with others. In a military or marching band context, if one person is out of step, they are not walking in rhythm with the others. This physical out-of-sync movement is a powerful metaphor for disagreement or a lack of conformity in other areas, such as beliefs, attitudes, or behaviors. In everyday usage, this phrase is often used to highlight differences in opinions or practices. For example, their policies are out of step with the needs of the community, suggests a disconnect between what the policies are and what the community requires. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. The professor's teaching methods are out of step with modern educational techniques. 2. Her fashion sense is completely out of step with the current trends. 3. Their environmental policies are out of step with global climate change initiatives. Understanding phrases like, out of step with, can significantly boost your fluency in English. Remember, this phrase is all about highlighting a lack of alignment or agreement. I hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident in using out of step with in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!